12 Best Foods for Eyesight. Can you imagine a world without color? Without being able to see the faces of your loved ones? Without being able to read a book or watch your favorite movie? For many people, this is a reality. They live with vision problems that make it difficult or impossible to see the world around them. But there is hope. There are many things you can do to protect your eyesight and keep your vision healthy for years to come. One of the most important things you can do for your eyesight is to eat a healthy diet. Eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods can help to keep your eyes strong and healthy and reduce your risk of developing vision problems later in life. In this video, we will discuss the 12 best foods for eyesight. These foods are packed with nutrients that are essential for keeping your eyes healthy and preventing vision problems. So, let's jump right into the 12 best foods for eyesight. But before we begin, if you're new to our channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting content. Alright, let's get started. Food number 1, carrots. We're starting with the classics, carrots. They're loaded with beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A that's crucial for good vision. Vitamin A helps the eyes convert light into a signal that can be transmitted to the brain, allowing us to see in low-light conditions. Beta-carotene in carrots not only aids night vision but also helps maintain healthy eyes, reduces the risk of age-related macular degeneration, and prevents cataracts. Food number 2, spinach. Spinach is an absolute eye champion. It's rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, which are antioxidants that help protect the eyes from harmful light and free radicals. These nutrients can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Additionally, the high vitamin C content in spinach aids the absorption of these antioxidants. It's also packed with other essential vitamins and minerals, making it a superfood for your eyes. Food number 3, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are another excellent source of beta-carotene. This nutrient provides the necessary building blocks for vitamin A, essential for maintaining good vision, especially in low-light conditions. Including sweet potatoes in your diet can help improve night vision and protect against dry eyes. Food number 4, eggs. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, similar to spinach, making them a valuable addition to your diet for eye health. They're also a good source of protein, which can help maintain overall eye structure. Additionally, the zinc in eggs helps protect your eyes from damage and supports the health of the retina, the part of the eye that sends visual information to the brain. Food number 5, blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These compounds help improve night vision and overall vision health by protecting the eyes from oxidative stress. Regular consumption of blueberries may also reduce the risk of cataracts and glaucoma, two common eye conditions. Food number 6, almonds. Almonds are a fantastic source of vitamin E, which is crucial for protecting your eyes from free radicals. This vitamin helps maintain healthy cells and tissues in the eyes. The vitamin E in almonds can help slow down age-related eye conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. Food number 7, oranges. Oranges are known for their high vitamin C content. This vitamin is essential for maintaining the health of blood vessels in the eyes and preventing diseases like cataracts. Vitamin C also supports the overall health of the eye and reduces the risk of developing macular degeneration, the leading cause of vision loss. Food number 8, salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically DHA and EPA. These healthy fats can help reduce the risk of dry eyes and maintain eye moisture. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for the structural health of the retina and can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Food number 9, broccoli. Broccoli contains two essential nutrients for eye health, lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants help filter harmful high-energy light waves like ultraviolet rays, protecting the eyes. These compounds can reduce the risk of eye conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Food number 10, papaya. Papaya is loaded with vitamin C, which, as we mentioned earlier, helps in maintaining blood vessels in the eyes. It also contains beta-carotene, promoting overall vision health. the vitamin C in papaya contributes to reducing the risk of cataracts and delaying the progression of age-related macular degeneration. Food number 11, red peppers. Red peppers are incredibly high in vitamin C and beta-carotene. This powerful combination helps improve vision and reduces the risk of cataracts. The American Optometric Association recommends the inclusion of red peppers in your diet because the vitamin C and beta-carotene can maintain the health of blood vessels in the eyes. This reduces the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. Food number 12, turkey. Turkey is a great source of zinc, which plays a role in maintaining the health of the retina, the back part of the eye responsible for transmitting images to the brain. Zinc is also essential for protecting the eyes from oxidative damage and reducing the risk of macular degeneration. Dear viewers, that's for today's video. A balanced diet rich in these 12 eye-loving foods can help keep your vision sharp and reduce the risk of eye-related conditions. However, it's essential to remember that a healthy lifestyle that includes regular eye checkups and protecting your eyes from excessive sunlight is equally important. If you found this information valuable, consider sharing this video with friends and family who might also benefit. After all, we all cherish our ability to see the world. Do you have any favorite eye-boosting foods or personal stories about the impact of your diet on your vision? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And if you're enjoying our content and want to stay up to date on everything related to health and wellness, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support keeps us motivated. Thanks for joining us on this journey towards better eye health. Remember, your eyes are precious, and they deserve the best care you can provide. Until next time, keep nourishing your body, stay informed, and take care.